Mini quiches or frittatas appetizer, individual-sized savory egg-based dishes filled with vegetables, cheese, and/or meats. Certainly! Here's a basic recipe for mini quiches or frittatas that you can customize with various ingredients. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, half cup milk or heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup chopped vegetables, spinach, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, etc. Half cup cooked and chopped meats, ham, bacon, sausage, etc., optional. Half cup shredded cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, feta, etc. Fresh herbs, chopped parsley, chives, thyme, etc., optional. Cooking spray or oil for greasing the muffin tin. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a muffin tin generously with cooking spray or oil to prevent sticking. In a mixing bowl, crack the eggs and beat them. Add milk or heavy cream, salt, and pepper. Whisk until well combined. Prepare your chosen fillings, chop and cook any vegetables or meats you plan to include. Make sure they're cooked and cool before adding them to the egg mixture. Divide the chopped vegetables, cooked meats, shredded cheese, and fresh herbs, if using, evenly among the muffin tin cups. Fill each cup about halfway with your desired fillings. Pour the egg mixture over the fillings in each muffin cup, filling them almost to the top but leaving a little space for the eggs to puff up as they bake. Gently stir each muffin cup to distribute the fillings evenly with the egg mixture. Place the muffin tin in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until the mini quiches/frittatas are set and slightly golden on top. They should puff up and have a slightly firm texture when touched. Once done, remove the muffin tin from the oven and let the mini quiches/frittatas cool for a few minutes before carefully removing them from the tin using a spoon or knife. Serve the mini quiches/frittatas warm or at room temperature as an appetizer or snack. These mini quiches or frittatas are versatile and can be customized with various ingredients to suit your preferences. They're great for gatherings, brunches, or as a make-ahead snack option. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of vegetables, cheeses, and meats to create your favorite flavor profiles.